Hey, my name is AJ, and today I am going to be telling you a story about Tom. This is Tom, and Tom is at home. Tom walks to his room. Tom opens the door to his room, and then Tom goes inside his room. But oh no, Tom's room is dirty. This is clean. This is dirty. Tom's room is dirty. There are clothes on the floor, a book on the table, the bed is not made, and there is trash on the floor. Tom says, "My room is very dirty." Tom says, "I want to clean my room." First, Tom takes his clothes and puts them into the laundry basket. This is a shirt. Tom takes the shirt and puts it in the laundry basket. These are pants. He takes the pants and puts the pants in the laundry basket. These are shorts. He takes the shorts and puts them inside the laundry basket. And these are underwear. Underwear is what you wear under your pants or under your shorts. Tom takes the underwear and puts it inside the basket. But there is one piece of clothing left. Tom looks under the bed. He sees a sock. This is a sock. Socks go on your feet. He takes the sock that is under the bed and puts the sock into the laundry basket. Tom's room is starting to look clean. Tom picks up the book that is on top of the table and puts the book on the bookshelf. Now, Tom's table is clean. Next, Tom picks up the trash and puts it in the trash can. There is one piece of trash in the trash can, and now there is two pieces of trash inside the trash can. Now Tom's floor is clean. But Tom's bed is still dirty. Tom needs to make his bed. So Tom makes his bed. And now Tom's bed is clean. Now Tom's room is clean. No more clothes on the floor. No more trash on the floor. And no more books on the table. And Tom's bed is made. Tom says, "Yes, my room is clean, not dirty. Tom's room is clean." So Tom lays down in his bed and his clean room and goes to sleep.
If you want more videos like this, go to EnglishSponge.com. On the website, you can find videos from many different teachers. You can choose which level you want: A1 beginner, A2 beginner, B1 intermediate, or B2 upper intermediate. You can choose which accent you want to listen to: American, British, Australian, and also other accents. You can choose which topic you want to listen to, and you can choose which grammar point you want to focus on. The website will track your time, so you can see how many minutes you have listened to comprehensible input today, yesterday, and for the whole month. So go to EnglishSponge.com. The link is in the description of the video.